Hello, in this video I'm going to walk you through UKG Pro step by step and show you how it's actually used for workforce management in real organizations. This is a complete beginner-friendly tutorial, so even if you never used UKG before, you'll understand how employees, managers, and HR teams use it daily. So, UKG Pro is a cloud-based human capital management platform designed mainly for mid-size and large businesses. Instead of using separate tools for payroll, attendance, scheduling, and HR records, companies use UKG Pro to manage everything in one place. What makes UKG Pro important is that it connects employees' data across departments. Time worked flows into payroll, payroll connects to benefits and tax records, and managers get real-time visibility into their teams. This reduces manual work and prevents costly errors. Now, once you log into UKG Pro, the first thing you see is the dashboard. And this dashboard changes depending on your role. Employees use personal information and tasks, managers see approvals and team data, and HR admins see system-wide alerts. The dashboard acts as a quick access hub. Instead of digging through menus, you can immediately see things like pending time, approvals, upcoming pay dates, or notifications that needs action. So learning the dashboard first makes everything else easier. Now, at the top of the side screen, you will find the main navigation menu. This menu is divided into modules such as My Info, Time, Pay, Team, and Reports. UKG Pro only shows modules your organization has enabled, which means not every company sees the same option. Once you understand which module does what, navigating UKG Pro becomes very intuitive and you stop feeling lost inside the system. Now, the My Info section is where employees manage their personal details. This includes contact information, emergency contacts, tax informations, tax forms, and sometimes benefit enrollment. Employees can update allowed field themselves, which saves HR teams a lot of time. For HR administrations, this section is the source of truth for employee records, ensuring that payroll and compliance data stay accurate. Now, the time module is one of the most frequently used parts of UKG Pro. Employees use it to clock in and out, review hours worked, and submit timesheets. Managers use this same module to review time entries, correct mistakes, and approve hours before payroll runs, because time data flows directly into payroll. Accuracy here is critical. Also, UKG Pro helps reduce errors by clearly showing overtime, breaks, and missed punches. Now, UKG Pro also handles employee scheduling and leave management. Employees can request vacation, sick leave, or other time off directly inside the system and immediately see their remaining balance. Now, managers can also receive notifications when a request is submitted and can approve or deny it with a single click. This eliminates back and forth emails and ensures schedules stay up to date in real time. Now, in the pay section, employees can view pay statements, pay history, and tax documents such as year-end forms. This gives employees transparency and reduces payroll-related questions. For payroll administrators, UKG Pro automates calculations like deductions, taxes, and benefits. Before payroll is finalized, admins can review everything, catch errors, and make adjustments, which helps prevent costly mistakes. Now, talking about manager features and team management, managers have access to the team module, which provides a centralized view of their direct reports. This includes attendance trends, pending approvals, and sometimes performance-related data. So instead of managing everything manually or through spreadsheets, managers can handle approvals, monitor attendance, and stay organized directly within UKG Pro, saving time and improving accountability. Now, the reports module is where UKG Pro really shows its power. HR and leadership teams can generate reports related to payroll, attendance, headcount, and turnover. These reports help organize make data-driven decisions. You can filter by department, time period, or employee type, and export reports for audits, compliance, or executive reviews. Now, UKG Pro also offers a mobile app which is especially useful for remote workers and shift-based employees. Through the app, users can clock in and out, check schedules, request time off, and view pay statements. This flexibility ensures employees stay connected to workforce tools even when they are not at desk, improving adoption and accuracy. Now, Before we wrap up, I want to quickly cover some common mistakes people make when using UKG Pro and how you can avoid them. The first mistake is not reviewing time entries before payroll deadlines. Many payroll issues actually start in the time module. If managers don't approve timesheets properly or employees forget to correct missed punches, it creates downstream problems in payroll. Always double check time approvals before the pay cycle closes. Now, the second mistake is underutilizing the reporting tools. A lot of organizations only use UKG Pro for attendance and payroll, but they ignore analytics. The reporting module can reveal overtime trends, absenteeism patterns, and workforce distribution insights. If leadership reviews these reports regularly, it can improve workforce planning significantly. Another issue I see is poor role configuration. UKG Pro is role based, meaning access permissions matter. If managers or HR staff don't have the right permissions set up correctly, they either see too little data or too much sensitive information. Proper role setup keeps the system secure and efficient. And finally, don't ignore employee self-service features. When employees update their own personal details, access pay statements, and submit leave requests directly, HR workload drops dramatically. So, encouraging employees to use these tools makes UKG Pro far more effective. When used strategically, just not functionally, UKG Pro becomes more than a tracking system. It becomes a workforce optimization tool. Here's the big picture. UKG Pro is not just an HR system. It's a complete workforce management platform that connects time tracking, payroll, scheduling, and employee data into one workflow. When used properly, it reduces manual work, improves accuracy, and gives both managers and employees clarity. For employees, UKG Pro creates transparency and self-service. For managers, it simplifies approvals and team oversight. And for HR teams, it provides structure, compliance, and reliable reporting. That's why UKG Pro continues to be widely used by organizations in 2026. So, that's it for this UKG Pro tutorial. If this video helped you understand UKG Pro better, hit the like and subscribe for more real-world software tutorials. And I will see you in the next one.